Hello friends, I hope you all are doing absolutely well. It's 12 in the night right now. I just had a conversation with my friend in Mumbai, a YouTube subscriber, a YouTube family member of mine from Mumbai, and she has been tested COVID positive, unfortunately, and she is a CA student. And I just wanted to share what conversation I had on the telephone with her from Aurangabad to so that you can know the situation right now. जितना आप घर पे बैठ के सोच रहे हो, the situation is not at all so liberal, so शांत right now. तो आप उसके साथ मैंने जो कुछ थोड़ी देर बात किया है वो आप सुन लीजिए और आपको ध्यान में आ जाएगा कि सिचुएशंस कैसी है। और ये तो एक स्टूडेंट है, एक फ्रेंड है जो मेरे कनेक्ट में है। ऐसे कितने स्टूडेंट्स रहेंगे, कितने स्टूडेंट्स के पेरेंट्स रहेंगे, कितने फैमिली मेम्बर्स रहेंगे जो कि ऐसे सिचुएशंस में है। सो जस्ट वी विल लिसन टू व्हाट शी इज सेइंग, and I have taken the permission of her also for recording the call and sharing with you all guys and sharing with the ICA members if they are watching this video right now. So let's start. Okay. Hello.
Hello,
How are you right now?
I'm okay, but I'm not stable right now. My condition is horrible over here because my temperature is going high and low again and again.
How's the condition in Mumbai?
Just over here at ground level.
Okay. So the institute is prepared to take the exams in the August and July. Are you prepared to give that exams?
Yes, I'm prepared thoroughly. My revisions are done, but I'm not stable for my mental state because I'm also COVID positive. And at my home, two ladies are positive. One is my daddy and other is Bua. But unfortunately, my Bua is no more. And my daddy is recovered right now and she's fine over it. But I'm suffering a lot due to this COVID situation.
Very depressing, and it's very unfortunate that we have lost our Bua. Means I just wanted to know, have you went outside your home after that scene to means before we have talked?
Gone to library because of my home. I'm unable to study due to the disturbance of my family issues and financial state. So I had taken all the precautions, but then also I'm COVID positive and I don't know how.
You are a COVID positive, and we don't know how many students from our fraternity are COVID positive from all over India, and it's very depressing. And I don't expect those students to study and to appear in this exam. So, Miss, what do you think that IC has given us the option to opt out?
But it's like ये ना इंसाफी है कि कुछ स्टूडेंट्स ग्रीन जोन से जाएंगे देने के लिए, माइट बी दे आर आवर फ्रेंड्स, बट एक वो रह जाएगा कि हमारे फ्रेंड्स ने अटेम्प्ट दिया और हम प्रिपेयर होकर भी नहीं दे पाए, तो ये पार्शियलिटी जैसा हो जाएगा। और हाँ, मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि अगर हम प्रिपेयर हैं फिर वो गिल्ट हमें आगे बढ़ने नहीं देगा, बिकॉज वी आर स्टक इन दैट। जब तक वो स्टेबल हमारा स्टेट नहीं होता, कि वो डिप्रेसिंग पॉइंट होगा हमारे लिए, दैट वी आर वेल प्रिपेयर्ड बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली ड्यू टू कोविड एंड हेल्थ इश्यूज वी आर नॉट एबल टू अटेंड आवर एग्जाम। और वो एक अटेम्प्ट जाना सीए के लिए बहुत बड़ा धक्का हो सकता है।
I can understand one attempt matters a lot. From the confidence point of view, मैंने जैसे पिछले वीडियो में आपको बोला था कि यार एक अटेम्प्ट जाने का मतलब इतना कोई ये नहीं कि 5-6 लाख कम कमा लेंगे पर नवंबर में पेपर दे देंगे हम। पर ये ऑप्ट आउट स्कीम के बाद बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स, ऑलमोस्ट 12%, ओनली 12% स्टूडेंट्स अराउंड हैव बीन ऑप्टेड फॉर नवंबर, और बाकी के सब स्टूडेंट्स एग्जाम दे रहे हैं।
We are facing that severe condition ना, and others are confused right now because वो कंफ्यूजन कैसे क्रिएट हो रहा है दैट मेरा फ्रेंड ऑप्ट आउट नहीं कर रहा है, सो व्हाई शुड आई ऑप्ट आउट। वो उस टाइम पे जैसा कंडीशन होगा तब देख लेंगे कि देने जाना है या नहीं, सो दे आर जस्ट डिलेइंग ओवर देयर।
मैं आपकी जगह पे रह के इमेजिन कर सकता हूँ कि मेरी फैमिली में कोई कोविड पॉजिटिव है, and the situation in the home is tensed because some days back my mother got fever, high fever, एंड उनका कोविड टेस्ट करने के लिए भेजा। रिजल्ट्स बताने के लिए 24 घंटे हमको बताए गए थे, पर वो 24 घंटे हमने कैसे गुजारे हमें पता है, मतलब जो टेंशन में। यस दैट वी
आप सो भी नहीं सकती क्योंकि वो आपका टेस्ट क्या आएगा वो आपको भी नहीं पता।
यस आई कैन
वेरी डिप्रेसिंगली जब वो आपका टेस्ट लेते हैं तो आपके मन में यही चलता है कि मैं नेगेटिव आऊँ, बट पॉजिटिव होने के बाद वो और ज्यादा डिप्रेसिंग मोमेंट हो जाता है बिकॉज यू लॉस्ट योर टेस्ट, यू लॉस्ट योर स्मेल, यू can't even talk more. It's very hectic to talk more because chest में pain होने लगता है. We are not well recovered right now. 3 days are gone, but I'm just feeling not well still.
Yes, आपका अभी 3 अब how much it costed for you to test in Mumbai for COVID positive?
5.5 to 5.5. It's depend on something package.
Okay.
They are also taking some blood samples and they are charging that differently. Like if you want to sample your blood also, any diarrhea, you're suffering from diarrhea or not, typhoid or not, they are just charging with different packages.
Means how much they have taken from you?
4.5 to 5.5 in between doctor charges and all, and medicine अलग से।
जैसे आपने मुझे बताया कि अभी आपको कल भी जाना है टेस्टिंग के लिए।
They will charge the same, and due to the lockdown and all these things, they are not that well settled right now.
Okay, so Mumbai situation is worst, and the surrounding situation.
Horrible over here. In ground level, they are just not showing. Or some people don't have money, so they don't go for test also.
Baapre.
As the condition, they might be being as a silent carrier to other one. They are not suffering, but others are suffering because of them. Those cases are also not reported now on the graph.
Yes. In Aurangabad.
In reality, it's worse.
Yes, in Aurangabad, the same situation is there. Daily 500 cases are being tested. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Relax. Every day 500 cases are being tested every day, and out of that 150-200 cases are upcoming every day COVID positive. It's very difficult for us to think to go on the center.
Right now they are just saying that beds are available, but in reality they are not availing the beds because they charging high money. Private hospitals are charging around 19,000 to 50,000 per day. Per day? In Bombay, yeah.
And in government hospitals, beds are not available.
Beds are like, if you find, so you will get bed, but condition is worse. They are not just taking care.
Okay.
When my daddy was suffering, she was in a government hospital. So condition was like, in one day you will get one time food. That's it.
In one day you will get one time food.
One meal. That's it.
And another means another meal you have to bring from home.
From home or whatever, from wherever you want to. Okay. And we are not allowed to talk with her. We are talking on a call. We are just giving them, giving our tiffin or anything else to the nurses. So you can go over there and we lost some tiffins also, and she didn't had that. So in between where it is gone, we don't know. Sure. And they are just not taking care of medicines also. They are not taking care of injection vaccines. If a patient is breathless, then only a nurse will come and talk with you. Are you okay or not? If you call her 10 to 20 times, then she will come to you. Or other, they are charging some charges around per day, 500 per nurse. If she wants to take care of yourself, तो आपको वो charges देने पड़ेंगे.
In government hospitals.
Yeah, in government hospital, it's a reality.
बापरे. I pray to God that you will get fine as soon as possible. But
actually, home quarantine is the best option. You will have Kara 5 to 6 times. You will have Chyawanprash in morning, and medicines are there.
Yes.
You are just taking care of it. But in this COVID, sleepless. You will not sleep for more time. It's
Okay.
really suffering. Like you lost your sleep also in this,
Okay.
and
And
you have body ache is another level. To suffer it, so unable to study and unable to sit also in this condition.
there is another tension that ICA is taking exams in July, August, and we should opt out, or we should not opt out, or we should give in November, or we should give in this July, August. A big question, right?
Yeah,
A guilt in the mind
like
that
a
hmm,
monster question, you can say. According to me, we have to give, but I'm unable to decide because of this condition, family stress also, and also I'm suffering. So I think that I shouldn't go for exam.
yes, you should have rest, according to me. मतलब रेस्ट ही लेना चाहिए, आपने नवंबर में एग्जाम देना चाहिए क्योंकि सिचुएशंस बहुत वर्स्ट है बाहर। और एग्जाम्स होती रहेगी, नवंबर हो या मई हो या अगला नवंबर हो, एग्जाम्स तो लाइफ टाइम होती रहेगी, एक दो अटेम्प्ट मैटर नहीं करते। पर you should not have the guilt feeling around you, and the institute should know that the students like
But
you
it
are
creates
existing.
pressure on us
Yes,
now that
yes,
we are well prepared, but we shouldn't go for it, right? So it's a pressure, it's
yes,
horrible. Every time when you are studying, when you are not studying, this will pinch you
yes.
up to the last.
You have
So it's better that ICI cancel so we all release from this pressure as
mm,
the conditions are normal. Then we go to November.
yes,
It's
you
the
can.
best option, I think.
Yes, it's the best option because the IC another cycle of May and November it will also not
The
be disturbed.
human psychology is like if we are not able to attend anything now, so we will not concentrate on our further studies, even though we are self-motivated and self-prepared, but the confidence will lost by us.
Yes, I can understand.
So sorry.
Yes, just take care of yourself. Just I wanted to say that the medicines you have sent me on WhatsApp, just take it regularly and take care of yourself. So we will, means as I discussed with you that we will share this message with everyone through our channel, to every student, each and every person that is watching this video, and to if any committee member, if any BOS member is watching this video and listening to our conversation, he should
Yeah.
also analyze this situation. I can understand him that they have to think of each and every student all over India. But
It's our parent.
huh,
It's our like a parent. So
yes, they
I
have to.
believe that they will postpone, they will cancel because it's our parent. They understand us. We are their
Yes,
child. So I hope that the decision will be our favor.
yes, we will just wait and watch because they are telling us that if one student attends the exam, they are going to take the exam. Their statement is like that. So we will see if any decisions changes. We have to get, means the students who are getting prepared for July August have to prepare according to July August. ऐसे
Yeah.
करना पड़ेगा और means the students who are suffering right now has to prepare for November. There are no options. ICI should listen to this and should take a wise action regarding this because the situation is getting worse and worse.
Yeah.
They have to take exams some or the other day. But we think that the November is the best option.
Yes, I think November is the best option. So we can stable ourselves and study, revise again and again, and we will pass this attempt.
Yes, in
And
September.
it also reduce our mental stress also as exams are cancelled. So we will be realized that it's not because of me, it's because of a pandemic, and we are able to give once again, and the confidence will be boosted up that we will prepare a lot, we will practice and practice. So there is an also one quote, practice makes man perfect. So it make us perfect also in our work.
Yes. Yes, the confidence will also be boosted that in November the exam is there and ICI is with the students and taking care of the students
Yes.
because no one can take the.
Because we don't know that how many students are positive or how
Yes.
many students are silent carriers.
Yes.
If we are going in an exam hall and we got a fever, then we lost our confidence, we lost our census also at
Yes.
that time because
Yes, yes.
we are positive.
Yes.
And we are now quarantined in any government hospital and our parents doesn't know that.
Mhm.
So they will create some kind of a stress in student also. They will not able to write exam and our parents also suffer a lot in this.
Yes.
So it's better that this journey is not get so worse. So stop this journey over here in only and continue in November.
Yes, the best option is November only. So we are conveying our best message that the exam should be conveyed in November. So rest the decision goes in the court of ICAI. So just
Yeah.
we will wait and watch and we will try our level best and we will study.
We have to believe in our parents ICI. So we will
सब गया
able to give exam in November.
Yes.
A nearby attempt.
Yes. सब गया बाजू में. Your health matters a lot and your life matters a lot. बस वो उस पे ध्यान दीजिए. कोई टेंशन नहीं है. नवंबर हो या अगस्त हो या जुलाई हो या नेक्स्ट नवंबर हो, just focus on your health and just take care of it. Okay.
Thank you so much. Sir.
Yes, always there for you. Just
Thank you.
yes, don't take tension. कभी भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम आए कॉल कर लेना. ओके.
Okay.
चलो अच्छा, टेक केयर.
Thank you. Take care.